What if Earth had two moons orbiting in opposite directions? This question comes from orbital mechanics expert Dr. Catherine Chen, who asks, if Earth suddenly acquired a second moon of equal size and mass to our current moon, but orbiting in the exact opposite direction, how would these counter-rotating celestial bodies affect tides, Earth's rotation, and the fundamental stability of our planet's orbital system? Let's imagine it's a clear Saturday night when astronomers worldwide notice an impossible celestial phenomenon, a second moon, identical in size and appearance to our familiar lunar companion, materializes in Earth's sky traveling eastward while our original moon continues its westward path. Within hours, these two moons begin their eternal cosmic dance, passing each other twice per month in spectacular celestial encounters visible to the naked eye from anywhere on Earth. The immediate visual impact would be breathtaking. During new moon phases, when both moons appear dark, the night sky would seem almost empty, but during full moon periods, Earth would be bathed in twice the normal lunar illumination, creating nights so bright that streetlights would become unnecessary. The most dramatic spectacle would occur during the twice-monthly moon meetings when both full moons pass close to each other, creating a celestial light show brighter than any full moon in human history. But the tidal effects would be catastrophic and unpredictable. When both moons align on the same side of Earth, their combined gravitational pull would create supertides reaching heights never before experienced. Coastal cities would face flooding events that make tsunamis look modest. When the moons are on opposite sides of Earth, they would pull in opposing directions, creating complex tidal patterns with multiple high and low tides occurring throughout each day rather than the familiar twice-daily cycle. The most destabilizing effect would be on Earth's rotation. Our single moon has been gradually slowing Earth's rotation over millions of years, giving us our current 24-hour day. With two moons pulling in opposite directions, Earth's rotational dynamics would become chaotic. Some days might last 23 hours, others 25 hours, creating a constantly shifting day-night cycle that would wreak havoc on biological rhythms and human society. Navigation would become a nightmare. Sailors and pilots have relied on lunar navigation for centuries, but with two moons following different orbital patterns, celestial navigation would require completely new techniques. GPS satellites would need constant recalibration as the dual gravitational influences affect their orbits unpredictably. Agriculture would face unprecedented challenges. Plants and animals have evolved complex biological rhythms based on the single moon's predictable cycle, with two counter-rotating moons creating irregular light patterns and varying gravitational influences. Crops would struggle with disrupted growth cycles. Nocturnal animals would become confused by the inconsistent darkness periods. But after several months of living with dual moons, scientists would notice something extraordinary. The counter-rotating moons weren't creating random chaos, they were establishing a complex but stable resonance pattern. Despite their opposite directions, the moons were somehow synchronizing their gravitational effects to create a more sophisticated tidal system than Earth had ever experienced. Analysis would reveal that the dual moon system was actually stabilizing Earth's climate in ways a single moon never could. The complex tidal patterns were mixing ocean temperatures more efficiently, preventing extreme weather formation. The variable day lengths were distributing solar heating more evenly across Earth's surface, reducing both excessive heat and extreme cold zones. Most surprisingly, the biological effects would prove beneficial rather than disruptive. The varying light cycles would stimulate enhanced brain development in humans and animals, as constant adaptation to changing lunar patterns would exercise cognitive flexibility. Plants would develop more robust growth patterns, becoming more resilient to environmental changes. Here's where the discovery becomes truly mind-bending. After a year of dual moons, astrophysicists would realize that this configuration isn't astronomically possible through natural means. The mathematical precision required for two equal-mass moons to maintain stable counter-rotating orbits would require constant micro-adjustments that defy known orbital mechanics. The shocking truth would emerge that the second moon isn't a natural celestial body at all, it's an artificial construct created by an advanced civilization. Spectral analysis would reveal that beneath its rock-like exterior, the second moon contains machinery designed to maintain its impossible orbit through continuous gravitational manipulation. But the most profound revelation would be that this advanced civilization consists of Earth's own future descendants from thousands of years in the future. They had developed the technology to create artificial moons and had traveled back in time to install this dual moon system as a planetary engineering project. The purpose wasn't random enhancement, it was essential preparation for Earth's survival. The future humans had discovered that in 500 years, Earth would face a cosmic catastrophe requiring enhanced planetary stability. The dual moon system was designed to strengthen Earth's orbital mechanics, improve climate resilience, and accelerate human cognitive evolution to prepare our species for challenges that would otherwise destroy civilization. The counter-rotating moons were also serving as a massive energy generation system, using their orbital dynamics to power a planetary defense network that would protect Earth from an approaching asteroid swarm that wouldn't arrive for centuries. Most remarkably, the dual moon system was programmed to gradually merge back into a single, enhanced moon once its stabilization work was complete, leaving Earth with a more robust lunar companion than it had originally possessed. The day Earth acquired two counter-rotating moons would mark the beginning of humanity's most sophisticated collaboration with our own future, as our descendants work across time itself to ensure our species survives long enough to become the advanced civilization capable of creating such remarkable cosmic engineering projects.